Hello. Today I'm sharing with you an easy beginner-level project for Cricut or any cutting machine. It's a set of 4 cute flowers with a 3D effect that are super easy to assemble. Our download includes the files in SVG and STUDIO formats. Once the SVG files are loaded into Cricut Design Space, you can see the default sizes of the flowers. These sizes range between 2 and 3 inches. I'm going to duplicate the set because I want to make flowers in different sizes. I can make them larger by stretching each one individually or the group set. I can also make them smaller. Once ready, I click Make It. All the flowers appear on the same cutting mat. I don't actually want to make all the flowers in the same color, so I'm going to change their colors. Now they appear set by color on each cutting mat. I arrange the flowers so I can make better use of the material. Choose the appropriate cut setting based on the type of cardstock you are using. A cutting mat with good adhesion, a good blade, and cardstock around 80 pounds. We have 4 different designs. We just need to lift the petals up a bit. This 5-petal flower has small pistils. An easy project that can serve to embellish other more complex paper craft projects. I've left the link to the templates in the description. Thanks for watching our video.